When it comes to cleaning your home, especially hard floors, efficiency and effectiveness are key. This O-cedar Easywring microfiber spin mop and bucket floor cleaning system. This innovative cleaning tool is designed to give you a fast, fun, and hassle-free floor cleaning experience. If you've been struggling with traditional mopping methods, or if you're just tired of constantly dealing with soggy mop heads, then this is the solution you've been waiting for. Whether you have hardwood, tile, vinyl, or laminate floors, the O-cedar Easywring Spin Mop ensures a deep, streak-free clean without the need for harsh chemicals. With its unique features and thoughtful design, this mop system not only saves you time and effort, but also delivers superior results. Here's why the O-cedar Easywring is one of the best floor cleaning solutions available. Key features and benefits. Number 1. Hands-free wringing for maximum convenience. The hands-free wringing system sets the O-cedar mop apart from traditional mops. Gone are the days of bending over to wring out a soggy mop head. The built-in foot pedal on the bucket allows you to spin the mop with ease, controlling the moisture level to suit your cleaning needs. This eliminates mess and makes mopping more comfortable, especially for those with back issues or limited mobility. Number 2. Removes over 99% of bacteria with just water. This mop doesn't just clean, it sanitizes. The Easywring microfiber mop effectively removes dirt, grime, and over 99% of bacteria with just water. This is ideal for anyone looking to minimize the use of harsh chemicals in their home, especially in homes with pets or young children. The powerful microfiber strands work to trap dust and dirt, leaving your floors spotless and hygienic. Number 360-degree rotating mop head. The 360-degree rotating mop head ensures that you can clean every nook and cranny of your home. Whether you're tackling hard-to-reach corners, baseboards, or areas under furniture, this mop makes it easy. The patented triangle mop head design helps you clean along edges and in tight spaces, ensuring no dirt or grime is left behind. Number 4. Safe for all hard floors. No matter what type of flooring you have, the O-cedar mop is safe and effective on all hard surfaces. It works beautifully on finished hardwood, tile, vinyl, and laminate floors. You won't have to worry about scratches or damage, and it's gentle enough for your delicate surfaces while still providing a powerful clean. Number 5. Washable and reusable mop refills. The microfiber mop head is not only effective at cleaning, but also machine washable and reusable. This makes it an eco-friendly option that saves you money in the long run. Each mop head is designed to last, and the included extra refills ensure you're always prepared for your next cleaning session. Having multiple mop heads also makes it easier to dedicate a mop head to specific areas of your home, reducing the risk of transferring dirt between rooms. Number 6. Splash guard for mess-free mopping. One of the most annoying aspects of traditional mopping is the splash that occurs when you wring out your mop. The O-cedar Easywring mop features a built-in splash guard, keeping water and cleaning solutions safely inside the bucket, preventing spills and splashes. You can now transport the bucket from room to room without worrying about making a mess on your floors. Number 7. Ideal for pet owners and busy households. With its ability to trap pet hair, dirt, and dust, the Easywring is perfect for pet owners. The microfiber strands attract and lock in dirt, making it much more effective than traditional cotton mops, especially when it comes to tackling sticky or dried-on messes. The mop head also picks up fine dust particles, ensuring that your floors are spotless and dust-free. Number 8. Convenient design for easy storage. The O-cedar Easywring mop and bucket floor cleaning system is not just functional, but also easy to store. The mop features a telescopic handle that extends up to 51 inches, allowing you to adjust the length to suit your height and cleaning preferences. When you're done, the mop can be easily stored away in a closet or utility room without taking up too much space. Why choose O-cedar Easywring Spin Mop and Bucket? Efficient cleaning. Reduces cleaning time and effort with the easy-to-use foot pedal wringing system. Eco-friendly. Washable and reusable mop heads cut down on waste, making it a more sustainable cleaning choice. No harsh chemicals, cleans and sanitizes with just water, perfect for families with allergies or sensitivities. Durable and long-lasting. Built to last with high-quality materials, making it a reliable tool for regular use. Versatile. Works on all types of hard floors, from hardwood to tile, ensuring a perfect clean every time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.